Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Olivia Rodrigo in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So here we are, and first thing we need is water, plus water to create lake, add water again, and then add earth, and then add earth again. And now you'd have continent and add lake to create America. Once you have America, you want to go for earth, and then wind, and then you want to add another wind to create sandstorm. Once you have sandstorm, add another sandstorm, to create dust bowl, and then add dust into America to create Trump. Combine it with these two to create 2016. Add ocean to 2016, add another ocean, and another ocean. And now another ocean again. And now the last one is another ocean. So now we have 2022. So now once you have this, you want to go for 2020 right here. Just put it there. And then go for dust. And then go for lake with dust to create mud. And then combine dust with fire to create ash. And then you want to add lake into ash to create phoenix. Combine these two together to create bird. And then you want to go for ocean with bird to create penguin. Add another ocean to create tuxedo. And then add wind with water to create wave, and then add another water to wave to create tsunami. Combine it with tuxedo. You'd now have James Bond. Combine it with 2020. You'd have No Time to Die. And then you're gonna go for dust and dust to create sand, and then add fire into it to create glass. Add another fire, and then add earth right here, and then add water here to create plant, and combine with lens to create camera. Add plant so that you'd have photograph. Add another photograph to create album. So once you have that, you want to go for another album right here. Add water into it to create vinyl, and then you want to go for water again to create record, and then combine album with No Time to Die to create Billie Eilish, and then combine record with Billie Eilish to create Grammy, and then combine Grammy with 2022. You now have Olivia Rodrigo. So that is basically it.